This free website is a game changer for homeowners or interior designers. With this new AI website, you can design your home and interior for free. Step 1. Go to newroom.io and sign up. Step 2. Click Design Now. Snap a photo of your room. Select room type. I am selecting living room. Choose your styles. Now select the option that is, your room is empty. In my case, my room has furniture. Now you need to select your room age preferred style. I want to choose elegant. You can choose according to your need. Which theme you want in your room, you can choose from this section. On free version, you can choose just 10 themes. If you want more, so you can buy Pro Plan, and in free version you have just 5 credits. For now, I want to choose modern theme. Again, you can choose according to your needs and wants. In this step, you need to choose your furnishing budget. How much you want to spend on your furniture. I am choosing standard. After choosing budget, click on Generate Design. It takes some time to generate design. If you will, on Show Product Toggle, and then clock on white circle. You will get all products buying links, and you can buy them from Amazon. Step 3. This is very amazing because if you feel like making some changes, no problem. Click on Magic Editor, then click on Brush Size. You can adjust brush size. And then select the part you want to change. Then write your requirements in prompt bar. And click on Edit and wait. Boom, click on Confirm. Then click on View. To download the design, simply click on Download. If you want more credits for free, so click on Upgrade. And you can get credits to referral your friends. You will get 5 credits for each referral, but you can do up to 5 referral.